EBSCOhost Collection Manager makes it easy to subscribe to your patrons' favorite magazines, combining your library's ebook and digital magazine ordering process in one simple step. The home screen of the magazine storefront displays the most popular titles available. Click the View All link to view a result list of the most popular titles. Or browse recently added titles, or browse by category using the links under Shop by Category. If you would like to purchase a title, click the Add to Cart button. The search box allows you to search for magazines of interest by entering your terms, selecting a search field such as title or publisher, and clicking Search. On the results page, refine your results using the limiters in the left column. For example, you can use options in the Selections and Category sections to view the most popular titles within the business category. To purchase a title, click Add to Cart. The title is added to your cart. You can continue to shop for magazines or click Checkout Now to go to the cart and complete your purchase. Confirm the start date and expiration month for your subscription. Unless you have set up a preferred expiration month in Preferences, a full-term subscription based on the start date selected is the default. Subscription expiration dates cannot be altered after a purchase is completed. To set a preferred expiration month for your subscriptions, click the Preferences link at the top of the screen and select the Magazines tab on the left of the screen. Select a month from the drop-down menu and click Save. Setting a preferred expiration month can be useful if you would like to ensure your new subscriptions have an end date consistent with your existing subscriptions. When you're ready to complete your purchase, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click Finalize Order. On the checkout window, select a Flipster contact name from the drop-down menu and select a billing address for your institution. Purchase order number is an optional field that allows you to enter your own purchase order numbers if you would like. When you're finished, click Submit Order. The designated Flipster coordinator will receive confirmation as well as a fulfillment receipt and invoice for your order. When you've subscribed to a magazine, it appears in the result list with a subscribed indicator, replacing the Add to Cart button. The detailed record of a subscribed magazine displays your holdings information as well as the subscription end date. At any time, you can access help information on EBSCO Connect by clicking the Help link found at the top of the screen.